Today we'll understand how to remove unwanted things within the frame. If you're working under a small space, there'll be lot many unwanted things inside the frame. So you can use clone stamp tool to remove those unwanted things from the frame. Make a duplicate copy of your layer. Click on clone stamp tool. Once you click on clone stamp tool, put off the caps lock so that the brush will be visible. Take the nearest sample and paste it on the material which needs to be removed. Click on Alt key, press on Alt key, click on the area which needs to be removed. Before that, make sure your opacity is 100. Take the sample and paste it on the area which needs to be removed. Take the sample and paste it on the nearest pixels. Do the same. Reduce your opacity. Click it on the area which needs to be blended. This is how you can remove the unwanted things within the frame.